Hey folks, welcome back. I've got a little DIY hand line here. I'd posted this up earlier on my Instagram and some people were asking if I had how-tos and I could not remember if I did or not. So, if I have duplicates, I'm sorry. But anywho, here she is. So it is 2 caps. This is CPVC also. 1/2 inch. So it's 2 caps, this one and this one. 2 short pieces of PVC pipe. It's up to you how long you want them. So one will go from the cap to the coupling and that's where your line will go. The other one is just short enough to seal the cap to the coupling to make a spot for a few hooks and weights and stuff. Of course, the longer it is, the more stuff you can put in it. But I didn't glue it. I just stuffed this together. I may have glued this side. Stuffed it together real good. And just wrapped my, this is Cajun line. It's like 6-pound test. I need to put some braid on there, but all I had was this red stuff when I had made this. But pretty easy. It also makes a good, so if you got it paid off and you're holding it, it's a good size to snatch. You can slay brim and smaller panfish with this thing. Again, you could make it, you could take and make this longer and put more line here, and then have a longer piece here, say however long this piece is. You can put more storage in the back of it. I just kept it short like this. I like the compact version of it. But if you had one of these and had like 40-pound braid on there, as long as you could hang on to this thing, you could drag the majority of fish out pretty swift. But again, it's 1/2 inch CPVC, and you could use 1/2 inch PVC, but CPVC is just a little smaller. But that's it. It's kind of like Legos. Anywho, y'all have a good day.